Good morning students. Today I have come up with your grammar class and today I will show you to do editing. Okay, this is a sample question given over here. The passage has been given. As you already know, the one passage will be given and there will be incorrect and correct format. You have to just edit the line, find out the incorrect word, you have to write down the incorrect word, and for each incorrect word you have to write the correct word against it. Okay, so this is the format. One passage will be given and for each line 2 gaps will be given. You can see incorrect and correct. Okay, let's start to solve this sample. Dolphins and killer whales has learned elaborate routine to entertain aquarium audiences. They are thought by men to being even more scientifically intelligent than me. In scientific experiments, they had showed great skill for distinguishing between objects. This is the passage. At first, you have to understand the meaning of the passage and then you have to recollect all your grammatical skills. Even you have to understand the flow of the passage. Okay, and you have to find out the incorrect word, and for that you have to edit that incorrect word and you have to put the correct word in the proper column. Okay, so let's start to solve it. So dolphins and killer whales has, you can see it is given singular verb has, but it is dolphins and killer whales, 2 subjects, so it will be have. So we have identified the error here. This is has, this is the incorrect word. You have to edit it and you have to write the correct word. Correct word will be have. Next line, to entertain aquarium audiences, they are taught. There is no error in this line. Come to the next line. So they are thought by men to being even more scientifically. So you cannot write after to, you cannot use being, so it will be. So incorrect, you have to find out the incorrect word. What is the incorrect word in this line? The incorrect word is being and you have to edit it. The correct word, it will be. Now you can see the line is correct. They are thought by men to be even more scientifically, next line, intelligent than me in scientific. What is the error in this sentence? You can see the word then, it will be than. Okay, so it will be not then, the correct word will be than. Again I am reading the sentence. They are thought by men to be even more scientifically intelligent than me. Okay, so I have written the incorrect word and against this I have written the correct word. The correct word will be than. Next, come to the next line. In scientific experiments, they had showed great. So what will be the past participle form of show? It will be not showed. The incorrect word is showed. The correct word, it will be shown. Shown. Okay, so it will be shown. The incorrect is showed and the correct word, it will be shown. You can see here had showed is given. That means it is in past perfect form, and for past perfect tense, had plus V3 form. So it will be shown, not showed. Okay, next line. So in scientific experiments, they had showed great skill for distinguishing between objects. So what is the error in the last line? If you read the line, you can find out the error. In scientific experiments, they had shown great skill in distinguishing between objects. So here we have find out the incorrect is for. Okay, so here the preposition is incorrect. So I am writing down for. This word is incorrect. This preposition is incorrect. What will be the right answer? It will be in. So like this way you have to solve the incorrect and correct one. Okay, and for each blank there will be half marks. Okay, for each blank there will be half marks. One example will be given in your question paper, and the 4 blanks means 4 blank will be there. Here for each blank there will be half marks for incorrect and correct. Okay, so like this way you have to solve the editing, and you have to practice more samples so that you can do it easily in your exam. Thank you very much.